Welcome Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. We're located in West Tennessee. Got a beautiful Nissan Rogue. Beautiful color. It's a magnetic black metallic, which is fancy for pearl black. Very pretty. This is probably the nicest Rogue I've had. This is the SL, which is the top of the line, and on top of that, it's got the Platinum and the Platinum Reserve package, which gives you all the goodies and the high-tech equipment. This is kind of a unique vehicle. This is not a rental. It's a one owner. This was an executive car from the Nissan factory here in Tennessee. And it's only got 5,000 miles. That is correct. 2018 with 5,000 miles. In light new condition inside and out. We've got a remote engine start. You can lock it, hold this button, and it cranks right up. That's great. It'll get the climate control going. It's got a clean Carfax, non-smoker, Southern vehicle. You've got your passive active key. You can unlock or lock it by just touching the door handle with this button, as long as the key fob is nearby. And look at this interior. Another reason I bought it. It's got the premium two-tone leather seats, quilted, high quality. You feel like you're in a high-end vehicle. Very comfortable. There are heated seats. Got memory seats, two-tone trim, same color as the outside. Got clean carpets and floor mats. You've got power seat on the driver's side. Got all your buttons here. Heated steering wheel. This one has a real neat feature. It's called the Driver Pilot Assist, which is almost an autopilot. Turn this down. All right, first we're gonna look at the miles. 5,048, very low miles. So this system, it's got steering assist, emergency brake, lane departure warning system, and assist, blind spot. It'll brake if you get up on someone too quickly. All kind of features, but the steering assist is really what I want to talk about, because I've had a few vehicles with this feature, and this one's by far the best. The other ones will bounce you between the yellow and the white line and actually make you get on it. This one here will stay in the middle of the lane just like you would if you drove it normally. I was able to come here without making any steering input. You still have to keep your hand on the steering wheel, otherwise you'll start complaining, but it drove itself, which is really amazing. And this is how you control everything right here. And then you just got the adaptive cruise. This is how you select the distance between the people in front of you. So basically it'll keep a constant distance. If the people slow down in front of you, you'll slow down. If they accelerate, you'll accelerate up to your set speed. Just an amazing feature. It's amazing what they'll do now. We've got rain sense wiper, automatic HID headlights, leather wrap heated steering wheel. Got all your audio controls here on the steering wheel. Got a beautiful screen here. Got your navigation system. And look at this camera system. You get to see all around you. So I'm gonna back up. You can see. Isn't that crazy? And then you can push the button also and push and see. So it's got camera in the front, back, mirrors. Gives you overhead shot. Very cool. Got all the technology. We got Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, got the weather, XM traffic, sports. These are things you have subscribed to, but there they are. There's your connections. So you got a CD player, which is nice. A lot of vehicles do away with them. Dual climate control. Oh, I got push dual. Well. Oh, auto. There we go. Didn't know what I was doing. I push auto first. You know, you get the picture. I like it's got real knobs. A lot of vehicles now all went to touch. I just like knobs better. That's me. Electric parking brake, hill assist. Gets your USB, auxiliary 12 volt. Nice shifter. Get switches again for your heated seats, which is real nice. Another USB and a 12 volt. I do have both keys. Owner's manual. How about the original window sticker? Right at 35.6. This was not a cheap Rogue. So at this price here, it's a tremendous savings for just like new vehicle. Get your home link, universal garage opener, auto dimming rearview mirror, sunglasses holder. How about this panoramic sunroof? Very nice. And then you get a power shade, so it doesn't get too hot. Again, it's like new inside out. You got the 11 speaker Bose sound system. It sounds terrific. That's your blind spot warning indicator. You'll flash orange when someone's in your blind spot. Nice, same seating as the front. Lots of room. You know, this looks like a small vehicle outside, but it's very roomy back here. Got climate vents to keep everyone comfortable. And these seats lay down forward, so extra space. Got beautiful 19-inch aluminum wheels. You got your power lift gate. Got a little storage. First aid kit. Push the button right here. The way this is built, the fit and finish and the material reminds me of a high-end luxury vehicle, a lot more expensive than this. We've got a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder. Fuel efficient, plenty of power, and reliable. As you can see, everything's like new. It's been serviced, ready to go. It does come with the remainder of the factory warranty, which in this case is 3 year 36,000 miles bumper to bumper, or 5 year 60 on the powertrain. You can see the description for details. If you're looking for an awesome, sporty, fully loaded luxury SUV at an affordable price, this here should do it. To see if this Rogue's still for sale, go to my website, sunsetmotors.com. If it's on the website, it's for sale. If not, you're too late and it's gone. I do have competitive financing available with low interest rate and good terms. Credit applications on the website. You can fill that out and I'll see what I can do for you. Worldwide shipping is also available. To get a shipping quote, if you have any other question, you can call or text anytime, 731-686-8800. Thank you for watching and come and see us.